Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 17th of April. And first of all, national news. PM Narendra Modi shared beautiful artwork of Diu by Padma Shri awardee Premjit Baria. Seizures total rupees 1070 crore since election dates announced in Karnataka. 79 arrested for clashes in Odisha's Sambalpur. Internet remain suspended. India ready to share strengths and successes with the world. Envo. Power consumption grew 9.5% to 1,503 billion units in 2022-23. Rahul Gandhi to embark on two-day visit to Karnataka today. Will try to get back Shivaji's sword from UK, Maharashtra minister. At 40 degrees Celsius, Bengal shut all schools, universities for a week. US emerged as India's biggest trading partner in 2022-23 at $128.55 billion. India-US building foundation for strong, peaceful, global community, Finance Minister. Now some international news. Montana has become the first US state to impose a total ban on TikTok. India-US building foundation for strong, peaceful, global community. Finance Minister. China's economy expected to rebound as zero COVID era fades. And Sudan Army paramilitary agreed to open humanitarian corridor. Thousands of Israelis took to streets again over attack on democracy. UK veterans health workers got prime seats at King Charles' coronation. Forest fires have led to an increase in air pollution in Nepal. And now some sports news. First time in IPL history, Arjun Tendulkar set unique record with father Sachin. IPL 2023, Rohit Sharma on cusp of joining Virat Kohli to others in elite list. Rohit Sharma is the fourth highest run getter in the history of IPL. He is a finisher. Anil Kumble praised Punjab Kings star after win versus Lucknow Super Giants. Now news related to business. Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank hiked MCLR on select tenors despite RBI's pause. US emerged as India's biggest trading partner in financial year 2023 at $128.55 billion. China at second position. Credit signed up with the Building Council for green projects. Upcoming FTAs will boost exports from India center. New foreign trade policy tighten norms on gift imports. Now news from science and technology. NASA video showed Ingenuity Mars helicopter flying over an alien desert. Plants may scream out loud when stressed, a study said. And that's all in news. Thank you.